There is a lot of hype around hyper-realistic cakes right now. Clearly, it seems like the only limit of what can be turned into a cake is these extremely clever bakers' imaginations. That's why hyper-realistic cakes will never fail to wow everyone around you. In today's video, we have decided to do a kettle cake, and the result is going to be out of this world. See how it is done step by step. The cake has already been shaped as a kettle and covered in white fondant. Another layer of white fondant is draped over the kettle cake. Time to attach the handle on this side. This artist is taking care of even the smallest details, and it's impressive. You could definitely prank anyone with such a realistic creation. This bright silver is the right touch this cake needs. Would you like a cup of coffee or a piece of cake? You choose! If you picked both, we have something that merges both. For this one, you need to create a cake in the shape of a cup and cover it in white fondant. Let's not forget the handkerchief. Use a thin layer of fondant and paint the design you like on top. Look at this delicate floral painting. It makes you fall in love with it immediately. Let's add bits of creativity on the cup as well. The commitment to details of this painting is to be impressed at. Looks like an old vintage painting, and we can't get our eyes off it. Finish the bottom of it with a small round cake piece. And here goes our kind of coffee. You can either drink it or eat it. Bon appetit!